Okay, what's going on? This is Gerald Mace. I'm in the WatchMen group. We did the wristwatch for our final project. I'm going to do two tutorials, one on how to use the shell and one on how to use the emboss. These are tools that are within Solidworks. We use these tools to help make our final design. This is just a glimpse of how to do it. I was brushing up on my skill to make sure I knew what I was doing. So you want to start by making a new part. Um, Here we go. Start from scratch. Okay, so we're going to start by doing the sketch. I guess it doesn't matter what plane you pick. Top plane is going to have it extrude upward, so we can do that. We can start by making a circle. You can make any shape you want, but the circle is what we use for the shell of our watch, so that's what we're using here. Dimensions aren't really important. I guess I'll keep a radius of 2.5. Cool. Then we'll go ahead and extrude this bad boy. Extrude. Again, doesn't matter how much you extrude it by. I'm going to extrude it by, let's do 3 inches, just to get a good idea of what the shell is actually going to look like. Let me zoom out a little bit. Check mark. Cool. All right, so you got yourself a cylinder right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on shell right here. Remove material from a solid body, create a thin-walled feature. So shell. So by default, it's at 0.10 inches. You can make whatever you want. I'll just show you it at let's do 1 inch. Be kind of extreme. Okay, I got everything right. Face 1, shell outward, show preview. Yeah, let's see a preview. Cool. All right, this is about what we had for our, well, this is the kind of cut that we had for our shell for our watch. Because we wanted, the outside wall, and we wanted to have the bottom supported. If there wasn't a hole at the bottom, there's a hole at the top to put in our gears and stuff like that. So I'm going to hit check mark just to show you what this looks like. See, just a little shell. Now, the walls are kind of thick here. This isn't very practical, just to give you an idea. Let's go ahead and change that now. Let's put it back at like a point, let's say 0.2 to give a good idea of, let's make sure that's inches. 0.2 to show you like how thin the wall can be. Check mark, see what that looks like. Cool. That's like more of a practical little cylinder cup thing you got going on here. The bottom is still there. You got the shell right up here at top. You can put in whatever you want. For us, it was the gears for our watch, but you could do whatever you want, I guess. All right, that's the shell. Up next is the emboss.